Alright guys, so today is a very exciting day. So we're finally putting my SSR Mark 1s on the Corvair. So I took these to get the tyres put on this morning. I went for a 165 50 15 on a 7J 15s. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the sizes. I think they're going to give enough tyre wall but enough stretch for me to clear everything. So yeah, I'm happy with those. So the next plan of attack is we need to get the car out from its cubbyhole, wherever it is there, pull it forward, jack it up, put the spacers on to allow to run these wheels, put the spacers on, put the wheels on, drop it down, see what it looks like. So do a proper video of it airing out for the first time on those wheels. So excited. So I've got 25mm spacers on the front and 15s on the rears. This is going to be very close to that arch. Pray for me. I think it clears, but it is like credit card a bit further up into the arch. It's really tight. Because it's a flat arch, it doesn't have like a... If anything, it's probably shallower here than it is here. So hopefully it doesn't scrub too bad. But as a side profile, before we've aired out, it's looking pretty sick. So let's get the other two on and then we'll pull it outside and air it out. I am absolutely stoked. So the back passenger side, US obviously, so it's right hand side, is a bit tighter than the driver's. Because I don't know if you can tell in the video, but this arch is kind of battered. So this has been bent in at some point. So all I've done is I've put some cardboard in between the wheel and the lip of the wheel and of the arch, and hopefully that just like massages it enough to pull it out enough to clear. But we'll leave it like this for a little bit to try and set it, and then we'll take it out and drop it back down and see if it clears or not. Right, took the cardboard out, so we'll drop the jack down. Talking to the camera. Oh. Oh. I think. Well, it's down. Soon find out if it rolls or not. Oh yeah. It rolls. Whether or not it rubs, I don't know. But nice hoodie mount.
Cheers, bud.
New stuff coming soon, by the way. Right, so first time airing the Corvair out on the winds. So, see how it goes. That's it. The back end looks insane. It's back. That sounds mint.
Alright, mate. It's been a while.
I know. Unreal. He's just took it to get flat and polished at the paint shop, so looks absolutely mint. You happy with it?
A little bit, yeah.
Enough.
Absolutely buzzing my head off.
Unreal.
Perfect.
I'll tell you what, it fucking moves.
Does alright, doesn't it?
Yeah, that moves, that.
Does alright. Different league to the B20, isn't it?
There's nothing wrong with that, like, it's definitely fast.
She's fairly fit.
It sounds unreal.
Cheers, dude.
When it's like up in the revs, it sounds insane.
I think I've got that sussed as well, don't you?
Yeah, the rev matches. You did anyway, these cars are so hard to rev match.
Oh yeah, they are, like.
It sounds big.
It's a beaut to drive as well. I've not really driven it with windows down yet either, because I've been trying to test the glass out. I'll just go down here and back to Tree Bridge or whatever it's called there.
It's so smooth now on gear shifts as well.
Yeah, there's no clunk.
It used to have the typical fucking diff clunk or rear subframe clunk. This is no slouch, mate. There's nothing slow about it.
Isn't, is there?
It does move.
It feels like it does, but when you look at the clock, it's not doing a lot. But yeah, no, it goes alright.
For an old BM though, it definitely does shift. Brakes are good.
Yeah, they're alright, aren't they? I'm barely touching them now.
Yeah, they feel dead like dead smooth. They've even got a bit of a whistle.
Just a little.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just fun, isn't it?
Like so smooth now.
Yeah, I'm not getting the clunks.
That thing looks so good. Sounds amazing as well. So Thomas,
Hello.
the car is out and on the road. What's the next step? Like, what we're doing next?
Next major thing, I'm not really sure. It depends on what happens with this engine. You know, once I get a few miles on it, if it's like not doing too chipper and starts smoking again.
Yeah,
then
did have a little bit of, I think it's valve stem seals, don't we?
Yeah, so it might just be a cylinder head job, or I might just go fully like bend and rip the engine out. Yeah,
which we can do.
But after
it's not an issue.
After that, me and Ben, we've had a little discussion, and we think we've come to an agreement on another change. But when that happens,
it's an expensive change.
Oh yeah, it's not changed.
No,
she nearly hit you.
I'm not surprised.
She proper nearly got you. She was not happy.
She was not happy.
She was not happy. But yeah, I think for now, really, it's miles. Just put miles on.
Yeah, just get some miles down in it. I think. Go for some road trips.
Needs an alignment. It needs the steering box adjusting, maybe.
Yeah. We need bump steer.
Bump steer
spacers.
Yeah. And then I might get the lane resurfaced.
At your house.
So I can drop it more.
Yeah, so you can lower it.
Yeah, because I think it could do with it.
It can definitely go a bit lower.
Oh, it can take it all day.
There's room in the arches.
And then I can start working out fitment properly. These are good wheels for like a...
It does look mint on these wheels. It looks like
old school.
Proper driver's car now.
Yeah.
But
it's got like 80s vibes.
Yeah.
Which is right, because that's what
kind of touring car vibes.
Yeah.
Kinda.
Almost. Yeah. But like I say, they're a good interim. But I think the wheel game could be
it's
elevated a little bit.
Things are gonna get.
They'll be same, only different.
There's gonna be developments.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so yeah, hope you all enjoyed this video of the big reveal of the Corvair on its wheels. I am definitely happy with the car now that it's on those wheels. On the stills, it never really did anything for me, particularly. So much, it just looks like it should look now it's on those wheels, I feel. And the interior works really well as well, I think. So, yeah, I'm happy. It was good to see Tom. First time Tom's been around for a while, due to the whole COVID situation. But, yeah, it was awesome to see him in his car. Hopefully soon we can get out and do a decent trip in it, get some miles under its belt. But, yeah, for now, if you want to check out my Instagram, I'm posting loads of photos on there of the Corvair that Nathaniel took yesterday. They're really good. Massive shout out to Nathaniel for coming over and taking those. They definitely make all the difference. Having good photos to post has made such a difference to the response it's had, I think. A lot of people have really liked it. Yeah, my Instagram is @Ben_ain'tdead and @ain'tdeadyetgarage on Insta. So if you want to check those out, drop us a follow. It'd be much appreciated. And yeah, stay tuned for more. We've still got to get the car to be tuned this week, hopefully, and then get it back and start driving it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Take you